Hi, I am Girish and today I'm going to show you how to create Morph Transition in Microsoft PowerPoint. The Morph Transition will be looking like this. So once we open the first slide, we are going to have details about a particular topics. Like here, I'm going to give a presentation of learning styles. So there are various types of learning style. The first one is visual. So when we learn something by observing or watching pictures or images, it's known as visual learnings. The second one is social. When we learn within a group by communications, it's known as social learning. The third option is the physical. When we learn using the body, hand, and touch senses of our body, it's known as physical. And fourth one is oral. So when we learn by listening and hearing, it's known as oral learning styles. So you can see it's a very beautiful morph transition. You can consider this as format. You can see like 4 quarter performance of any resources. Even you can show 12 months performance of the resources. It's up to you. You can do that as per your requirement. You can use for showing top 10 places to visit in any countries or something. It's up to you. Now, without wasting time, let's get started to create a new one. So to create a new one, first we'll go to new slide, then we enter a blank slide. Let's go to design and change the background. Going to format background and I'm going to fill white color. So that seems perfect now. Like I'm looking just a plain color here. Now what we'll do is we are going to insert a shape. So go to insert, then we'll go to shape, and we are going to insert this known as circle hollow. We are going to insert this. So that seems like the perfect one. That is what I was looking for. And let me change. We need to just go to the yellow circle here, and as per the requirement, we can change it. So that is the width I was looking for. Yep. Then we'll go to shape outline, no outline. Then we'll go to shape effect. We go to presets, and we'll select this one, known as preset 2. Let me change format shape, and we'll go to this color and we'll fill this. That seems perfect. So I'm going to use this, or maybe you can, it's up to you, whatever color you want. Let me select this. So this look perfect. That is what I was looking for. Now what I'll do is I'll insert the text. That is, I'm going to copy it from here. I have already told you that you can easily enter a text by going to insert, then text box, and you can enter anything whatever you want. I'm just doing this just to save times. Then we can use all the colors we are going to fill. So let's copy it. That's a better way. We need to decide it what color we are going to use it. Then we created a simple dot here and we can use those in our presentation. So let's put it those four colors aside as of now. So these are the four color I was looking for. Let's put it on center. We can do that it pretty easy. You go here, go to arrange, go to align, go to center, you go to arrange, align, go to middle. This is the perfect. but we need this text we don't want as of now. I think we can paste it later. Now we are going to enter another image. So let's go to shape and we use oval. So this is the shape I was looking for. Let's fill this color. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape fill, use eyedropper, and we can fill the first color. Send to back. And what we'll do is we are going to insert another shape here, and we can add a dot. We are going to insert another shape low again, and that seems perfect. Fill it as, yep, fill it as white. Shape outline, no outline, shape effect, we'll do that. This one, for this again we'll do it shape outline as no outline, and we'll presets as 2. That is what I was looking for. So now it's perfect. Now we'll copy this and this. Do Control D to duplicate it, and we'll use this for our second. That seems perfect. Now fill second color here. Go to select this pictures. Go to Shape Fill. Go to Eyedropper. Use the second one. Perfect. Send it back. Perfect. Now we can copy this again, and we can put it here. Just and we can fill this. Go to Save Fill, go to Eyedropper, and we can use this for third one. What we are going to do is we are again going to copy this. Control D, and we can put it here. And we can fill it with the fourth color. Go to Save Fill, Eyedropper, and fourth color. Perfect. I think that is what I was looking for. So select everything and make Control G to group it. You can do this by arrange and group. Now we have done it, and what I want this to be put it here. Perfect. Now we can copy this for first one. So this is like first, then we'll need to duplicate this slide, and we can copy this for second one. We need to remove it. I will paste it. Now what we need to do, we need to do we need to make duplicate copy for another one. So I apologize that this should be on the second one. Then we need to make a duplicate copy for this as well. Now we are going to use the third one. We are going to copy this, and we'll paste it to the last one. So let's remove it and paste it. Third one. This part has not been copied yet. Let me paste it here. And now we again make a duplicate copy, and we take this from the fourth slide. So we go here, copy, and we'll paste it for fourth one. Perfect. So now we have all four thing ready. The only thing left is our transition. So what we'll do, we'll go to the first slide. This is what if we go to slideshow, and if we do this, it is the same slide we are going to see first. Then we need to animation for the second slide, so we'll go to second, we'll select it, and we go to format. There is one option known as size, so you need to click here and you need to rotate it. So we are going to rotate it so that yellow come to the heading. We need to keep doing it. So finally this yellow is here. Absolutely, it's 90-degree now. So our second option is done. Let's go to third one. So third one, now what we need is we need this to become here. So what we'll go, we select this, we go to format again, and we go to size, and now we want this to come here. So we'll go here, we'll select here, we go to size again, and we rotate it till the time we are going to have this. We can just directly change it, but I just want to say it, if you are using more than 4, as of now we can do it by 90, 180 and 270. I'm doing it just to education purpose, so you can use it for if you have more than 4. So this is like the third one, and now we go to finally the fourth one. Again we select it, we go to format, and we go to size. Here we can just change it like rotation. Now we need red one this, so it would be coming to 270. We can do that, but I just want to show it. So if you have like 6 7, if you have anything in middle, you can just change as per your requirement. It will take time, but yeah, it's just gonna make this particular slide very beautiful. So I'm pretty okay to just spend some time on this. Let's come to 270. It's 225 now. That's absolutely perfect. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go here. The second one, we need to go to transition, and we need to select morph. Once we select morph, it's gonna to be turned to what we change this. Then we go to again here and we do morph, and the fourth one is this. Perfect. So just minor change we need to do is here we need to put our blue one. So this is blue one, we need to put it here, and this red one should go to here. So let's remove it, paste it here. We can take this, we can paste it here. That seems perfect now, and it's ready now. If we want to show it, we'll go to slideshow, and we start from current slide, and this is gonna be the way we were looking for. So that seems perfect. Hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you have any feedback for this video, you can just make a notes, or you can just comment it. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching.